Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Google account so you can get started on Google Sheets. I'm not going to dive into how Google Sheets works. I'm just gonna walk you through creating an account so you can actually create a Google Sheets file and you can store Google Sheets files. Once you create your account, you will also get a Gmail address. So you will have an email as well as a space where you can store your files that is called Google Drive. So let's get into it. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to open any browser that you like, and you're going to go to the address accounts.google.com/signup. And I'm going to leave the link to that in the description down below. So once you go there, you are prompted to create your Google account. So you're going to fill out this form with your basic information. And while you're creating a Google account, you will also be creating a Gmail address. So you can choose your username and then you can enter your password. So I'm going to fill out this information. Now, once you click on next, you're going to be shown this other form in which you can add a phone number, a recovery email address, birthday, and gender. I do recommend that you add a phone number and a recovery email address just in case you lock yourself out of the account, you forget your password, you have a way out of that and you don't lose the account. Right now, I'm not going to fill that out, but I'm just going to click next. I actually do need to fill this out. I'm going to go with female. And then I'm going to click on next. Now you get all of this information about privacy and terms that you can read if you like. You have more options here. Right now I'm just going to leave it as it is. And I'm going to click on I agree. And now I have created a Google account. Once I actually created my account, I was logged into that account. So if I go into mail.google.com, I'm going to be brought into my Gmail account. Right now I have no emails, nothing, because it's a brand new account. Now if I come back to the page that I was brought into once I finished creating my account, I'm gonna see this Google Apps icon right here. So once I click that, I'm gonna find Google Drive. And this is going to take me to my Google Drive. So Google Drive is a place where you can store files, and from here you can create different types of files like Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. So these are the Google versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You also have Google Forms, and you have many more here. You can connect to different apps, but right now I'm just going to focus on Google Sheets. So I'm going to start by creating a folder. And the way I do that is you're going to right click and you're going to select new folder. So this folder is going to be YouTube tutorials for me. You can name it however you want. So now I'm going to go into that folder and I'm going to create a Google Sheets file. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to click on New Google Sheets. And now I created a new file, my new file, that was stored in my YouTube tutorials folder. And everything you do will be automatically saved as long as you have an internet connection. So if I do an edit, you're gonna see that it's saving, and now my changes were saved. So if I close it and I open it, my changes are there. You can also share this file with other people by clicking on this green share button. So once you click there, you can add someone else's email. Once you select them, you can choose to make them viewer, commenter, or editor. So they can just view the file and create copies from it, but they can't actually edit your file. They can just comment or they can make edits, and you can both be working on the same file at the same time. So you can choose that, and then you can add a message and click on send, and that person is going to get a notification, a link on their Gmail address, and they can access that same file, and you can all work together on the same file. Now, if you close your browser and want to go back into this section, you can go to drive.google.com, or you can go to myaccount.google.com, or if you are completely lost, you can just Google, literally Google Drive, Gmail, Google account, and you're very easily going to go into a place where you can sign in and just find your Drive app, which will bring you here. So this pretty much works the same way in which you would manage your folders and files inside your computer. So you can just get organized, create a folder for your business, personal, hobby, kids. You can just nest folders within each other. And whatever you create here, as long as you have an internet connection, will be immediately synced into your account. So whenever you sign into your account on a different device, you will get access to all of these files. And the changes you make in one of them, you'll be able to very quickly access them on your other devices as long as you have a steady internet connection. So that's it for this video. If you're interested in learning how to use Google Sheets. I have a few tutorials that I'm going to link in the description down below that walk you through creating a template. So you are going to learn some formulas by actually building something. So I'm going to leave those in the description. And if you have any more questions, something else you would like to know, I would love to read that in the comments. And thank you so much for watching.